Right, if you are anywhere near Coventry in the middle of May and you're serious about machining, then you're going to want to watch this. I'm here at DMG MORI UK, and from May 19th to the 21st, they're opening the doors for their technology days. This isn't just a brochure event. This is live cutting, real machines, real applications across multiple different industries. You can see exactly how DMG MORI UK are helping manufacturers like you streamline your processes and actually get more out of your production. Machines, automation and digital integration, all working together. And when you come here, you don't just see it, you understand how these could have an impact on your shop floor. If you're looking to improve output and reduce downtime, this is an opportunity to get up close and personal with these world-class machines. We will be here filming, so come and say hello. But more importantly, come and see the experts from DMG MORI and learn about the latest technology and innovations. Regardless of whether this is your first time or you've been here before, this is your opportunity to come and see it all firsthand.